How can I get the net out?
What are you doing here? Let's go.
Is it safe to do it like this?
We're both wearing safety ropes. What are you afraid of?
For the convenience of structural construction. Both of them are removing the protective railings. They are risking standing on the ventilation shaft cover for operations, and they start working. The construction site should be closed and secure according to the construction plan. Don't randomly remove anything without the approval of the responsible person.
Protective facilities and safety signs should be set up. For various pits, they should be firmly closed and sealed. No one is allowed to randomly remove them. Without the approval of the responsible person, professional scaffold personnel must set up platforms according to the construction plan for the elevator shaft. Red warning lights should also be set up at night. The platform must be installed every 2 floors and no more than 10 meters apart. Safety nets must be installed when working at height. No isolation and protective facilities should be set up on the construction site. Regular inspections and maintenance should be conducted. When working at height, workers must wear safety belts to prevent accidents.